How to make dark theme for Skype. It's quite easy and simple to make dark theme for the Skype application. Just you have to launch Skype application on your device. Ensure to log into your particular account. Now tap on the username at the top of the screen. On this section, you have to scroll down, tap Settings. Locate the option for Appearance, tap on it. Now under Mode, select Dark. Once done, you can easily set the color, or you can also tap on the high contrast dark, which is under accessible modes. And once done, you can easily choose the colors as the dark mode for your appearance. So let's select any one. Once you have done that, tap on the apply button at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see that we have successfully made the dark theme for the Skype application. You can easily change anytime you wish to on other modes as well. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.